Hello everyone, welcome to ixamBee. So as you already know, the IBPS released the notification for this year and there are 203 vacancies for IT officer. So in this video, I am going to talk about eligibility criteria and the cutoff analysis, especially for IBPS IT officer. So if you are planning to appear in the exam, then watch this video till the end because this will help you to understand whether you are eligible and how many marks you actually need to clear this exam. And yes, before we begin, here is the bit of motivation. These are the selections for IBPS SO 2024 from the ixamBee, and we have also mentored many successful candidates who cracked the exams like SEBI, RBI and NABARD. So now let's start the video. The eligibility criteria for IBPS ISO IT officer. So the age criteria for this position is minimum 20 years and the maximum age will required is 30 years. The education qualification for IT officer is 4-year engineering degree in computer science, computer application, IT, electronics, electronics and telecommunication, electronics and communication, electronics and instrumentation, or postgraduate degree in electronics, electronics and telecommunication, electronics and communication, electronics and instrumentation, computer science, IT or computer application. Other than this, if you have been graduate and you have a TOEIC B level certificate, then you are also will be eligible for this exam. And IBPS also provide the age relaxation for SC, ST, OBC and PWD candidates. Now let's talk about the cutoff. So as you already know, the prelims exam is of 125 marks and having 150 questions. So this was the cutoff for objective exam. This is the section wise cutoff in reasoning. The cutoff is very low for SC, ST, OBC and PWD. It was 1 mark only required, and for general it was 3.5. For English it was 4.5 and for general it was 7.25. For quant it was 1.25 and for general it was 5 out of 50. Now let's look at the overall cutoff. This was the section cutoff for 2024 and this is the overall cutoff out of 125 marks. So for SC it was 36, for ST it was 32.63, for OBC it was 36, for EWS 16.75, general 36, for other categories this is the cutoff. So this was the complete cutoff for 2024. Now if you look at the past trend, so this was the cutoff for 2020, 2021, 22, 23, 24. So here you can see that cutoff is not so high, but the competition is very high. So you need to prepare according to that. And there is a significant difference between the sectional cutoff and the overall cutoff. Out of 125, in 2020 it was 75.88 marks was required. In 21 it was 66.38 marks was required, and in 22 65, in 23 54.38 and in 24 it was 36. Here you can see that significant decrease in the cutoff, but actually the cutoff is based upon the level of the exam. So you can say that the level of exam is continuously increasing. So keep in that mind and prepare accordingly. Other than this, this was the vacancy trends over the year. So in 2025 there are 203 vacancies. Now let's talk about the mains cutoff. The mains containing the professional knowledge subject of 60 marks. So the overall cutoff for mains in 2021 it was 10.50. In 2022 it was 13.75. In 23 it was 14.75. In 24 it was 16.5. And the final cutoff means mains plus interview. So this is the selection criteria for final cutoff. The weightage for mains exam is 80 and the weightage for interview is 20. So the final cutoff was out of 100. In 2021 it was 39.25. In 22 it was 40.53. In 23 it was 39.47. In 24 it was 37.3. So that was everything you need to know about the IBPS SO eligibility criteria and cutoff. We are also providing an online course in which you will get the video lessons, study notes, practice questions, chapter tests, section tests, mock tests, also a live doubt sessions. So this will be the pedagogy strategy to prepare for this exam. Also, we have our expert sessions. The mock test we are providing will give you an exam hall mode feel. So this is all about this video and the online course. So if you have any doubt, I am conducting a workshop on 11th July related to IBPS SO preparation strategy. So you can join. It is a free workshop. So the link for the workshop will be mentioned in the description below. You can check out there. So don't waste your time and start preparing. Thank you. Prepare for 3% faster with ixamBee.